Hi, today we're going to discuss the fourth finger, and we're going to apply this to the song "Ode to Joy" by Beethoven. So, what we're going to start with first is getting our hand frame. We're going to build a fourth finger A today. I want you to block all three fingers, 1, 2, and 3 down on the D string, and I want you just to independently tap that fourth finger A right on the tip of that pinky. While you're doing this, you want to check for elbow angle. And you also want to make sure your thumb's not squeezing by tapping your thumb a few times. Good, now go ahead and place that fourth finger right on your fingertips. First, I want you to play 2 open A's. 1, 2, ready, and play. Now we got our fourth finger set on the D string, so let's hear if this matches. 1, 2, 2, fourth fingers, go. And if it doesn't match, you can go ahead and adjust that finger as normal. You want to actually aim not only for it to be in tune with your open A, but have a nice little ring. Let's try the open A one more time. 1, 2, and ready, open A. Now let's do fourth finger. 1, 2, 2, fourth fingers, go. Great. Now that we have our fourth finger, we're going to start with "Ode to Joy." We're going to do the first part of the first phrase. It starts on second finger F sharp and goes all the way up to fourth finger A. 1 and 2 and ready and play. Fourth finger. And there you have it, the very first part of "Ode to Joy." Now we're going to move a little further with "Ode to Joy" and fourth finger A by using the bow. Before we start, we're going to find the open A and compare it with our fourth finger A one more time. So let's go ahead and block all of our fingers down up the D string. Get that fourth finger set, and you can even tap it and slightly hear if it matches your A. All right, first on the bow, let's hear 2 open A's. 1 and 2, 2 A's and play. All right, now let's rock next door to the D string. We got our fourth finger set. 1 and 2, 2 fourth finger A's. And feel free to adjust if you need to. Now let's do the whole first part of "Ode to Joy." Both parts are very similar, so we're going to play the whole thing starting on second finger F sharp on the D string. Place your bow on the D string. 1 and 2 and ready and play. Open that arm. Great. And again, if you're using that fourth finger, it's actually going to keep you on the D string. So not only are you going to keep your left hand down the D string, but you don't need to rock anywhere. You're going to keep it all on the D string angle. Now we're ready to learn the middle section, or the B part of "Ode to Joy." This section also focuses on bow distribution, or how much bow you're going to use and what type of speed. I'm going to play it for you first, just to get it in your ear, and I want you to look at where in the bow I am and how much bow I'm using. I'm going to start with a full bow. Upper half, 8th, 8th, upper half, 8th, 8th, upper, full bow back to the frog. So I start with a full bow for those half notes, and I also end with a full bow for another half note. Let's air bow this together. 1 and 2 and ready, full bow. Half note, upper half, quarter, 8th, 8th, upper half, quarter, 8th, 8th, upper half, full bow, stop. All right, so that gives you a good idea of how much bow you're going to use for every single note. Now let's try it together. This is going to start on first finger E on the D string, and you're going to use a full bow starting right at the frog. 1 and 2 and ready with me. Full bow, upper half, 8th, 8th, upper half, 8th, 8th, upper, back to the frog. And see, we end with that fourth finger A. All right, now that we have learned the A section and the B section, it's time to put the whole Ode to Joy together, still using fourth finger A. Let's go ahead and give it a go. Get your second finger F sharp set. Put your bow in the D string. 1 and 2, whole song and play. Full bow, full bow. Full bow. B section, slow, bow, upper, half. Eighth, eighth. Eighth, eighth. Full bow back to the frog and beginning. Full bow, done. And that's the full Ode to Joy.